Hi, I'm Ilya from Bitskout, and in this video I wanted to show you how we augmented the blogging planning template with a sentiment check. So basically what we've done is we have added an extra label which is called sentiment, which our Bitskout text analysis model will validate whether the text is positive or not and set the appropriate label. It is done using our integration, our recipe, and it's basically when the content is changed to done, we need to run a workflow called positive sentiment check. But depending on what your tasks are, you can run different workflows on this text, and then set sentiment to positive if the execution is successful, which means that the text is positive, or set the sentiment to not positive if it's not. Okay, so if something else then not positive, then we set it as not positive. Now, what happens is we let's run an example by adding data-driven marketing blog post that I took from Monday, and let's just drop a file, a PDF file of that blog post here. And once it's done, we will change the content to state done. And when it happens, the workflow for sentiment check will be executed automatically by our system, and the results will be reflected in a change of sentiment label and an update to the task. So now, as you can see, the label has changed to not positive, so let's see what happened. And here we have a more detailed overview. Then there are 3 pages in the blog, which were split by our system. And then we can see that mostly it's neutral language, which might be okay if that's what you're looking for. So this is how you can augment your blogging template with a simple sentiment check. But this simple sentiment check can really make a lot of differences if you plan your content and to whom you plan your content and what kind of content you're planning. Thanks a lot and see you around.